so namene lawyer Kwasi Botchwey Junior NPP legal team member entwe komo ma kwa ba o
mini abema mejo so na mpumbo ko de
nyakopa adun bibia boko na ka che ye den na mo client ayese o interfere wo witness ya aye man be no o witness issue investigation na ekosu
mini abema no pe de mefa kwenye so na madawase na machia watifo ne omo social media sunya me say right do Boahen sansema abai migidi say yinia yason edi echirebe na no Thursday in your court no Friday in your court na Mr. Attorney General the application by to revoke bail conditions na edu Boahen e woso na if we say ninsusue mu no or Jane say anaso su say road edu Boahen temper with the witnesses and I say try to interfere with or no Attorney General witnesses na. In fact, lawyers ne ko camera mu, which means say ko judge in the office and the judge lawyers ne judge ne ko di nkomo over judge ne pie by no the ruling by say to balance the interest of the state, which is the Attorney General, and the liberties of the accused person, which is the Edu Boahen no. Obema revoke Edu Boahen bail no for 7 working days. Beton Yameboa next week Monday na AG during that period no AG and gather the witness statement ni ade. In fact AG ni bisa for 14 working days na judge they say there be Obema 7 working days. But you see minia the course no shows the hypocrisy and the contradiction of the Attorney General. Because this same Attorney General, every year press conference, catcher say, Edu Boahen issue, they were gathering the evidence so say, our watertight case against Edu Boahen or the court, yet they are obeying conviction. So why did you come back to say, on real investigation, on time count witness statements, witnesses scrapping only being within community, judge and more time now for conclude the investigation. Meanwhile, what about press conference? I catch we are and I say, idea of investigations, they will be. Now we know where we know, so no some way more Irish, most investigations now why you know. And yet they are do one in there, Obechinatum. So it shows and exposes the contradiction of this Attorney General. I was a Ghana put in a worry. Number 2. Another problem I say Attorney General and one and need the media trial now or the Edu Boahen komuno. If I mean abema Ghana hayenya Attorney Generals be fitting Jeffrey Finn ever Fourth Republic move better Samoa. We've had the likes of Marietta, we've had the likes of Gloria Kufu, of Dame yenya Attorney Generals be and you right in inquiry Attorney General in Ghana. Attorney Generals are in none of them. And now or they asem ebe court and or they asem court. Now what be jina media ni catch the media and say assume see the or your confo or your fraudster were engaging in money laundering. No, because who Attorney General as a prosecutor no duty ne say obe gather evidence near now they come court no. Na court na say evidence we be out to me engine to na court ni we are court na say based on evidence who Attorney General they are any counter evidence and as a defense accused person and so they abandon yenchi accused person into manate yenjano. That is the duty of the Attorney General. But Attorney General, you don't come into the media to prosecute and convict somebody in the media to the extent that you are only by Edu Boahen. Edu Boahen should even come for a plea bargain in the media. Very unlike of an Article 88 Attorney General. Because the Attorney General INSA we're prejudicing the entire matter. We're prejudicing the entire matter because Attorney General Naba Betina Bontia say Edu Boahen the day betina too. Now you be assembly way, na say judge or take them say Attorney General who evidence already by ye it is not sufficient say the betchi Edu Boahen atuma. What set up judge for a binum to say judge Nekrano, ya appointed as Abri, judge Nekrano, NPP judge Nekra President Akufo-Addo na dene buy, judge Nekra Sumeti na dene buy. To your Attorney General now, yes, and your man, you are setting up the stage for vilification of the judge, and you have also prejudiced the entire matter. The media trial must stop. Put to do so the Bonia. The appropriate forum is to go to court. Attorney General, the prosecution say what Ghana in Asha on sa. Etu court no na dey attorney general ni danye fi court dey bia no aba media mu ka so bi e konfo bi awie kan say at the court there is a higher burden. The burden at the court for criminal trial is to prove beyond all reasonable doubt. That doesn't mean make ka say bi akeke. And you know court the burden na was through na higher burden of proof so na obetimi a convict you obi media nim the burden of proof bi animu. Oba ya no abekeka dia pe bia se nipa ne yekrofo first one ne yire wie ska no mo de sisi adan e then you be put you to strict proof but at the court no asem bia beka bia you be put to strict proof to prove beyond a reasonable doubt asem na wo ka no aye no kra anate the attorney general must be interested in prosecuting his matters in court rather than coming to the media to prosecute his matters. Mini abema Ghana highway mbrawa ha uni ye nim say you do court na court your constitution it say you are presumed innocent until proven guilty. Yeah. Now if you are proven innocent until proven guilty, you are innocent until proven guilty. It's an attorney general in a press conference categorically states that Boahen and Nigeria are criminals. This is an affront to the rule of law. This is an affront to the fundamental human rights of Boahen and Nigeria, and all of us should be worried. Because it is not only in the case of Boahen, one attorney general, yes, sir, for other prosecutors, yeah, what you know, I say, NSS in for no Wieska, Professor Bia Kufia Wieska, where Wieska, what is also being Wieska? You, the attorney general, it doesn't lie within your power and your mandate to convict people. For more court, now conviction more court, you know, be with the attorney general, who you may, but many of them are made manusin. You see, in some attorney general, way out of die, where you say, Niniano. In your yet even get evidence not your word or come and evidence. You see the information and other stories. Because evidence is only when one them now kutano a court of competent jurisdiction are admitting evidence, because even in admitting the evidence, you will test baby different to see the evidence now they but admissible and inadmissible. It's until fair. What I'm now want to go through the necessary and the requisite test for your evidence to be admitted or and marked as exhibit. You know what you mean by say evidence there will be the bonnet in Tinipani of Krofana. Yeah, person no tire record. Linear yen come boom. Na yen country attorney general and say on media trial, no say or convicted in Krofo media because what he's doing is to prepare the minds of people. And Krofo no crowd. But now you Ghana because akwa we dey on any yere ne dey omo ya konfo Boahen ne yere ya konfo, which is not the case until some court ebe provide and not court be declare obi di boni and obi ndi bona. Attorney general doesn't have the power. Attorney general doesn't have the right and authority to be declaring people as criminals and as fraudsters in the media. So let's respect the rules of law. Let us respect the rules of prosecution. Let us respect our democracy as a country. Okay.
Yeah, okay. It's a 9:09. Our Kessben Machi Jubedi. And I'm Asugusu Amutien. We are live on Kessben 92.9, Kessben TV, DSTV channel 364, Go TV channel 121. Of course, Facebook Kessben TV. Now, Lord, catch you. Now, Usha Attorney General Dr. Ayini. Nadia or de deny mu be na me kind e ni kakra wo say almost surveillance na geda say momo clients Owura Kwabena Boahen was trying to show say now or interfere with the potential witnesses in this matter. Na kache ye kaso obi interfere potential witnesses ase say ene ye hwamu na o contact o asem ni na ne say and say evidence ben what the bass or yes a cheche muche.
Many years ago, I was on what being fire. It's not a power. Question I will be sending a very intelligent and very good question. Say, you can't be temper witnesses and not a potential witnesses. Then let's say, for Attorney General, you should say, I'm bit my buana. I'm always secure conviction. No, Owura Boahen, and your mood didn't come over. But you see, the fundamental question we all must ask ourselves and say, Owura Boahen, after I are taking the plea, now of Thursday, now of Wednesday, you're taking the plea. Say, oh, you're guilty, and on you're guilty, and not on you're guilty, arranging it before the court. But you see, at the current stage of the prosecution, and after assembly court, the question is that how would Boahen even know? Say, Ziga, and after assume, see, I attorney general and witness, I mean, interfere. We all don't know. don't know. Nobody knows. Attorney General
but so almost surveillance no show. Enti maybe say surveillance no eno na odina so a ye dey deny the bill no. Does it mean say obedina so dey send the evidence wo ho mebo?
Absolutely, and I'm saying say Attorney General no asem no can a blanket accusations no the buy no. The Attorney General couldn't provide any evidence. Say the guy me witness now the guy ne from ne Dubai ko shia wo akramo anaso mu ko shia wo Kessben TV ekodi nkomo. Which when provided bibi asa.
By the time ana court no sutimi hwema e deny papa ni bail sir.
But you see that is the interesting thing about criminal prosecution. Say what about the criminal prosecution na omofa dey say o my money na na no wanya. So my money na be ka say when any evidence or temper with the evidence into here time to complete the case 1 2 ohia say aban do be judge ne do be trim kakra say na be ya witnesses no so on your temper no obetimi collecting the witness statement in here and then my brother over 10 cases are in the event of 8 you do be kwakotum say state ni akwa inter judge na ruling no dey by no to balance the interest of the state and the liberties of the accused instead of 14 days now 20 days now and pennyman is 7 days. So what you say? Because since any attorney general no witnesses for us to even for you going to even tamper with or more and say baby. But in order to balance the interest of the state, then you judge cannot be seen to be saying say okay any Dubai and Kosoana any witnesses no and attorney general crowd will look at to Rebecca say judge no Emma Amma Dubai remanda or money babo and tintina you lose case because on your witnesses be a day judge no in open court or my ruling in no catch Dubai he said this too shall pass in open court I can say this too shall pass because when antics and optics of every prosecutor biya the attorney general it's a month where started bisa say is this a personal vendetta say Dubai is sue no entina for defamation entina all go through this route no because who attorney general ko ya also we investigations nya after you say we investigation na yenti nipa nintum na meanwhile na who dey Dubai here to for 2 weeks
okay na yo Lord, Mr. Ye the uncommon banawie, but I dear be how na ye lawyer, Mr. Me education kakra. Allegedly say Ora Kwabna Dubois 77 previous allegedly. Ya accusing say wa fa Ghana sika 49.1 million Ghana cedis. But ushe bill na ye dear man na 80 million Ghana cedis bill meboa.
But
na edientina ade a wa fa no almost half of bill na ye de man no minim se to the American asia se sika na wa fa no eswasene bill na ye de man no
Matidi how can
bibi sa ho me pe no say as a law no emrama ho kwam ye sa de no
bill there you see the entire concept of bill no discretionary
okay
judge ne pe kwa no ma bill or ma bill just na ye call ya judge ne ka say wa revoke bill no the concept of bill no discretionary and judge ne pe no be ma o pe onye dey
you jora wonu ora attach ya any legal team ni na no what is the next step is the next step ne dey
the next step ni say na me boa Tuesday 13th May ye be court back judge na say e be dru ho no na edu Boahen 7 working days na e be tinya me boa any week Monday the judge na say next week Tuesday be back court na be dru on na ye jai ye nua be ma edu Boahen the court the attorney general so wo ho no enso ye be abiti
okay eto okobi on na yire na ekomebo
because yire nso ya accused person na me nua be ma me de ma no si ka ma me ka asem bia eye mwa kaka interesting kaka Wednesday na ye omo arrange Edu Boahen no o say Edu Boahen because owo bail so in the time bia no owo period a okoyoku sign the bail forms no no quite around 11 a.m. omo delay na till 3:30 p.m. so omo delay na no we attach maybe a senior lawyer 32 years at the bar what you so make Edu Boahen we ska nobody says a man prosecuting no but Nneɛma bi a mo yɛ mama betina fit 11 am e ko bo 4 me gusu tie obi am be ka he nkyerɛ me mete reception ni wa amanfo so abegu machi office then sorry akọ oye so sorry akọ be 4 mu ho a na believe ba ye say the charge sheet aba ojo charge sheet no bi ta believe ni say da be na ya appear before court believe ni say now nti Friday Wednesday na ye arrange Edubuahin before court na mo court be videos na pie by na be say na dia asa na obi akọ adi there 435 na adia twabin so mu kura ne say o mo ko 435 no we attach am mo videos na no she kaftan no she suit so that means that no be appear before judge and you have to be properly robed and this I because you are naked before the court I lawyer town your friend Kwaku Asare and he was in a la post because open your na dey in court a normal day ye ko yoko keke enti attach the kaftan and a lawyer back on the day la post and the copy judge na judge so enye he yeah ma wavy mo dressing na mo beti me the kaftan appear before the court
and la cost no
in my entire legal career I have never seen say lawyer dey kaftan appear before a judge. Okay. For unofficial you can courthouse in Kwadia. You have to be properly robed. When you're properly robed, because we shoot no color there. But kaftan there, I have never seen it. So what is the sense of urgency in this entire matter? Gentlemen can go through the due process or the right procedure to do the necessary thing. Okay. Now, many abema after 4 p.m. I be survey over Dubai, and 3:30 for I be survey Dubai. Now on social media, charge it in the namdada. I will charge it now around 2 o'clock to 1 o'clock a week. Me was that time near 90 pana 75 hokrano. Yeah, the charges the board. Okay. Calculate say. Then don't we want to go through the right processes and is this a personal vendetta? Be say say Dubai where power lines. But let us not forget say Dubai until no. Let us not forget say, or let the AG not forget say, until say Boahen, February 2025 or very. That is been with the national security since 2007. National security in Sempa, already Boahen, and national security will processes and procedures are only people crowd operating via Bonnie and Faso. But they are all if we are also forced to come out with the things we know, it will be matters of national security near the 12 bonte. And I hear that the AG is inviting the legal team of the Boahen to expose issues of national security to not make everybody safe in this country.
Okay, thank you very much. Yo, Laura, that's a pa na whether in fact what's any and one me adusia pa. So no me kona nimni nano. Yebesia bana wa update here. Why?
And you better when him so save the judiciary the monarchy make when him.
Ya na musini wo hodada.
I was all crab account na ye think to ko kire jo mahama say no person the judiciary ni ye no. And ye democracy no you protect your democracy no. You
Mati. So lawyer ye be hwe ni ahwe why? Okay yo. We say lawyer Kwasi Botchwey Kwasi Botchwey Jr. NPP legal team member.